G'day tubes. Today I'm out at my good friend Tim's house. Oh, apologize. And usually I'm inside running trains, but today brought the Husky 20-gallon air compressor with my 3/8 line all jumbled up there. It's all charged up. We got 140 psi of air chooched in it, and as you can tell, if you can see the airline, apologize for the shakiness, close that up, you can see I got the RS-3Ls chooched out of the sunroof, and for protection of the Jeep, I laid some cloth and some towels down onto the chooch things so the horns don't scratch up the paint as previous times there. So yeah, my friend Tim does not know about the horns in there. I don't know if his family members are looking outside wondering why I'm talking to a camera and stuff. I'm sure they probably know what's going to happen. So alright, well, I haven't gone inside yet, so let's see if we can get their attention. Shut the engine off there. What time do we got here? 7:40, April 3rd. Make sure the doors are unlocked. I'll set the camera down over here. And I don't have my tripod. That's one thing I forgot. So we'll just set you down over here. Maybe you can't. Maybe you can see it. Oh, well, that's not bad. So yeah. And we'll give you a first test. This is the first test on top of the Jeep, the 2006 Jeep Liberty. So here we go. See how much air we got left. competition. Must be a truck horn or something, because you can feather it too. Well, folks, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed, and whoever that guy is down there in Busti, New York, I'm in Busti. I think these can be heard all the way down to Sugar Grove, PA. And there's a truck. I don't know if you picked it up, but I was in a horn battle with a truck there. Buddy must have a truck somewhere down over yonder, where you can almost see where all those trucks are down there. And I don't know. Hopefully the camera caught it. I still have the horns on right now. They're just draining the air out of the compressor. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. I hope Tim's family in there didn't care, so apologize. So yeah, you guys have a good friggin' day, and we'll talk at you later. So yeah, see you later, tubes.